Are you tired of relying on pills for better sexual performance and not seeing results? What if I could reveal a natural miracle that works just like Viagra? Stay tuned as we uncover the #1 natural food that will change your game. We're on a mission to reveal how you can boost your performance naturally, without pharmaceuticals. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking natural alternative that promises the benefits of Viagra, but from an entirely natural source. In this video, we'll uncover why turning to nature might be your best choice for enhancing performance. We'll discuss the powerful benefits of a mysterious yet common fruit that stands as a champion in the natural enhancer world. Not only will we reveal this miraculous food, but we'll also guide you through the correct ways to incorporate it into your diet for optimal results. We'll address the common pitfalls many encounter, such as consuming too much, which leads to bloating and diminishes its effectiveness. By the end of our video, you'll learn how to use this natural Viagra to its full potential, including dosages that promise the best outcomes. And for those eager to try it out, we prepared 2 exclusive recipes that will make incorporating this powerful enhancer into your daily routine both delicious and simple. Make sure you watch this video until the very end, because you don't want to miss out on discovering this miraculous food that nature has so generously offered us. It's a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their performance naturally, and we're here to guide you through every step of the way. From the science behind its power to the best ways to enjoy its benefits without overdoing it, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and unveil nature's secret to a healthier, more vibrant you. While we all want to improve our performance and energy, it's easy to be tempted by quick solutions and pills. However, the true path to sustained well-being and improved performance lies in the bounty nature provides. Natural foods are treasure troves of vitamins, minerals, and a plethora of beneficial compounds that work in harmony to bolster your overall health. But their benefits extend far beyond just general wellness. They play a crucial role in enhancing performance where it counts. The magic of natural foods lies in their complexity and the synergy of their components. Unlike pharmaceutical pills, which often target specific issues with a single active ingredient, natural foods contain a diverse range of nutrients that contribute to various aspects of health simultaneously. This multifaceted approach means that while you're aiming for one particular benefit, such as improved performance in the bedroom, you're also supporting your heart health, boosting your immune system, and enhancing your energy levels. Moreover, the reliance on pills for performance enhancement can sometimes lead to unwanted side effects, ranging from mild discomforts to severe health risks, disrupting the body's natural balance. Natural foods, on the other hand, introduce beneficial compounds to your system that the body recognizes and can utilize effectively. This natural compatibility minimizes the risk of adverse effects and promotes a holistic improvement in health and performance. For instance, antioxidants found in various fruits and vegetables combat oxidative stress and improve blood flow, not just to the heart, but throughout the entire body, including the areas critical for sexual health. Meanwhile, certain vitamins and minerals directly support the hormonal balance and energy metabolism, foundational elements for peak performance. Choosing natural solutions isn't just about avoiding the negatives associated with pills. It's about embracing a more comprehensive approach to health and performance. By nourishing your body with what it genuinely needs, you're setting the stage for optimal functioning, resilience, and importantly, an enhanced quality of life where it truly matters. The big reveal. The moment you've been waiting for has arrived. Watermelon is our natural superstar. Far beyond a simple summer treat, this fruit is a powerhouse for enhancing performance. Packed with citrulline and lycopene, watermelon has a remarkable ability to boost blood flow throughout the body in a way that's similar to Viagra, but entirely natural. Citrulline, an amino acid found in watermelon, plays a pivotal role in this process. Once consumed, it converts to arginine, another amino acid that helps relax blood vessels. This relaxation is akin to the effect of Viagra, promoting increased blood flow, especially to the penile area, leading to stronger and more sustainable erections. It's this enhanced circulation that underpins watermelon's reputation as a natural Viagra. Moreover, lycopene, a powerful antioxidant present in watermelon, contributes to this fruit's benefits. Not only does it support heart health, but it's also believed to have a positive impact on male fertility and prostate health. The combined action of citrulline and lycopene in watermelon can significantly boost sexual health and performance, making it a superb natural tonic for men's sexual life. Regular consumption of watermelon, in the range of 100 to 200 grams daily, can offer these impressive benefits without the need for chemical interventions. It's a delicious, hydrating, and refreshing way to naturally enhance your performance and overall vitality. However, it's crucial to consume watermelon in moderation. Overindulging can lead to bloating and diminish its effectiveness, so sticking to the recommended amount ensures you enjoy all the benefits without any discomfort. Watermelon stands out not just for its ability to improve sexual performance, but also for its role in enhancing overall health. Its hydrating properties, coupled with a rich composition of vitamins and minerals, make it an excellent addition to a balanced diet. By incorporating watermelon into your daily routine, you're not just taking a step towards improved sexual health, but also contributing to your body's general well-being. Eating it right. While watermelon is a fantastic natural enhancer, knowing how to consume it correctly is essential for reaping its full benefits. It's practically a miss if you haven't yet discovered the correct way to enjoy this wonder fruit. Knowing the right method can make all the difference. A common mistake many make is overindulgence. Watermelon is delicious and refreshing, making it easy to eat too much in one sitting. However, consuming large amounts can lead to bloating and gastrointestinal discomfort, which counteracts its beneficial effects on performance. Here's how to enjoy watermelon properly and avoid common pitfalls. 1. Moderation is key. Aim for a daily intake of about 100 to 200 grams of watermelon. This amount is sufficient to enjoy its benefits without overburdening your digestive system. Eating watermelon within this range helps ensure that you get an adequate dose of citrulline and lycopene, the key compounds that support blood flow and overall vitality. 2. Best time to eat. For optimal benefits, particularly for its Viagra-like effects, consuming watermelon on an empty stomach is recommended. This practice allows your body to absorb all its nutrients without the interference of other foods. It's a perfect way to start your day, energizing you with natural sugars and hydrating your body first thing in the morning. Consuming watermelon at the right time can enhance its benefits. For instance, having a slice of watermelon a few hours before bedtime can provide the nutrients your body needs to process during rest. However, it's also light enough not to disrupt your sleep with digestive work. 3. Combining with other foods. While watermelon has its benefits, pairing it with heavy or rich foods can impede digestion and lead to discomfort. It's advisable to enjoy watermelon by itself or with other light, digestible foods to facilitate optimal absorption and digestion. 4. Selecting the right watermelon. Opting for a perfectly ripe watermelon enhances its nutritional benefits. Avoid overripe ones. A firm, symmetrical watermelon that produces a hollow sound when tapped is ideal for peak ripeness and nutrient content. 5. Preparation and storage. How you prepare and store watermelon can also affect its health benefits. Always store watermelon in a cool, dry place and wash it thoroughly before cutting to avoid transferring any bacteria from the rind to the flesh. Consuming fresh watermelon is best, as the longer it's stored, the more it can lose some of its nutritional value. By following these important guidelines, you can enjoy watermelon in a way that maximizes its natural Viagra-like effects and overall health benefits. Now hold on tight, because the best is yet to come. We're about to reveal two simple, yet astoundingly effective recipes that will transform the way you view watermelon. Get ready for wonders that await in every bite. Recipes for best results. Let's unlock the 2 secret recipes that turn watermelon from a simple snack into a powerhouse of performance. Number 1. Watermelon Viagra Juice. Blend 150 grams of watermelon cubes. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Add a pinch of black pepper. Mix well and enjoy daily for best results. Number 2. Watermelon Salad Booster. Cube 100 grams of watermelon and mix with a handful of fresh mint. Sprinkle with lemon zest and a pinch of black pepper. Enjoy as a refreshing, performance-boosting salad. Watermelon, when consumed correctly, is a natural powerhouse for improving performance. Forget the pills and embrace this juicy solution for a healthier, happier you. With our easy-to-make recipes, you're all set to enjoy the benefits. And there you have it, the sweet secret behind watermelon's power, not just as a delicious fruit, but as a natural enhancer that rivals Viagra. We hope this video has enlightened you and provided you with a tasty alternative to enhance your well-being. If you found this video valuable, make sure to share this with others who might benefit from it. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications for latest videos. Here's to your health, happiness, and a life filled with natural vitality.